In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Outlook to your computer. Now, there's essentially two different ways to download Outlook. One of them requires a paid subscription to Microsoft 365, and it includes all of the Microsoft apps like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc., etc. The second method is completely free and only requires a personal account, and it will give you access just to the new Outlook app. So I'm going to start by showing you the Microsoft 365 method, and then we're going to jump in to the free version of the Outlook app. So what we're going to do is head over to an internet browser, and from here you'll just need to head over to the website office.com. Then what we're going to do is click on this sign in button in the middle of the screen, and from here you'll just need to sign in to your Microsoft account. So once you're signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, we have two different options here. You can either click apps from the left hand side and you'll be able to use Outlook for free online. But if you actually want to go ahead and install this to your computer, then what you need to do is click on the Home tab from the left, click on Install and More from the right hand side, and then select Install Microsoft 365 Apps. And then from here, we want to click on this Install Office button. Now, like I said, in order to install this, you must have a 365 subscription. And once this file is downloaded, we can simply open it up like so. So now you just need to go through the steps on the screen while it completes the installation process. This is going to go ahead and install all of the Microsoft 365 Office apps. So once you've installed Microsoft 365, you can then come over to your Start menu and search for Outlook. And as you can see, we can now open the Outlook app. Now, the second method you can use to download Outlook that doesn't require a 365 subscription is to head over to your Start menu and just search for Microsoft Store and then click on the store like so. From the search box, you just want to type in the word Outlook and hit enter. And then if you scroll down, you'll have this app here called Outlook for Windows. Click on this, and then we just need to click the Get button to install this to our device. And once that's finished installing, that's another way you can get Outlook for free on your computer. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.